Hello everybody, welcome back. So today's video is one that I did not think I would be filming so early into my YouTube career. I thought I would need to be way bigger. I thought I would need to have so many other things established before this would happen. But it's happened and I'm so excited. This is insane. So yeah, I wrote a cookbook. This has been going on since I think last February. The publisher reached out to me. I'm publishing with Skyhorse. Is that the right way of putting it? I'm not sure. But they reached out to me being like, we love your content and we were wondering if you'd ever wanted to write a cookbook. And I'm like, you have no idea. My goal is 13 cookbooks. I don't know why 13. It's just a number that came into my head. And so when they reached out, I just like, oh my god, I cannot. This is real. Like, just spazzing, like so excited, and it's actually real. It happened. It happened. Oh my gosh, I spent all last summer filming like crazy for this. So this is, my cookbook is called Unicorn Food, and the cover, what is it? The white chocolate ganache filling of these little tarts, and the title are glittery. Oh my gosh, so cool. And this cookbook is filled with, I guess, unicorn food, or food that a unicorn would eat. But yeah, so about 75% of the recipes in this book are completely unique to the book. So ones that, if you've been subscribed to me forever, you haven't seen these before. So most of these have not made it onto my YouTube channel and will never make it onto my YouTube channel. So that's why in the summer last year, oh my god, I was up to like 4 a.m. almost every night shooting for this book. So yes, all of the recipes are created by me, and all the photography is done by me in this studio actually. So yeah, I like slightly announced it in my Nutella pull-apart bread video because that was actually one of the recipes that was like inspired from one of the recipes in this cookbook, which I'll show you now. The rainbow pull-apart bread, which how beautiful does this look? Oh my gosh, and it's like cinnamon raisin flavored. It's so good. So if you want like a really cool breakfast, this is a really good recipe. So yeah, anyway, I slightly announced it in that video, and a bunch of you already went out and bought it, and it's arrived. I didn't even think the book isn't supposed to be launching until May 22nd, which is next Tuesday, but some of you guys already have it, which I'm like, how did that happen? But technically, it's still available for pre-order right now. I'm getting ahead of myself. But before we talk about all that kind of stuff, I'm going to tell you a bit more about the book and show you some of my favorite recipes. So this cookbook is divided into 7 different sections, and the first section is, I forget so I have to check, our cakes, and then we have other baked goods like donuts and cookies and macarons and stuff like that. And then we have candy, drinks, you know, I wrote it, I should know, frozen treats and breakfast ideas, and lastly chocolate. So basically very much like what my channel is, so it's desserts and breakfast because those are my favorite meals. And oh gosh, I show you how to make homemade sprinkles in it. What are some of my other like really favorite recipes? Let me see. I'm gonna give you guys like a little sneak peek. We have some confetti pancakes, which this is how I discovered my favorite pancake recipe, was when I was actually like developing this one. It's good, and I added like a cream cheese topping to it, and oh my god, like so good. I miss it, and I wish I had it now. What else? We have some rainbow cinnamon rolls. How pretty are these? What else? And some rainbow no-churn ice cream. Look at this. This is actually so easy to make, and it's so pretty. Some rainbow make-ahead cocktails. How pretty are these? And so this recipe, oh my god. It took me on a little adventure making it, which will bring me into my next point. So if you want to hear that story, and that was like a, oh my god, I want to die right now, I'm so tired story, as well as a couple other benefits, all you need to do is pre-order the book. So this book goes on sale May 22nd. Apparently it's shipping now, but it's not supposed to be. But it's available for pre-order now on Amazon and Barnes & Noble, and if it's available anywhere else, I will have it linked in the description box below. So just depending on where you feel like purchasing it, all the links will be in the description box, so definitely take a look. And as a thank you for all of you guys who pre-order this, so if you pre-order it, which is basically ordering it before May 22nd when it goes like live or available, you guys will get a couple extra presents as a thank you from me. So one of those will be 5 extra videos of tutorials from this book for recipes that will never air on YouTube that are exclusive to the book. One of those is the Mega Head Cocktails recipe, and I tell you the story of how that recipe came to be. Like, oh, I know, like, we've all been there where we're working on something and it's like 3 in the morning and it doesn't work out and you just want to cry, but it magically worked out. So if you want to hear that story, that's part of those 5 videos. So by pre-ordering the video, I'm too excited, I'm not talking right. You will get the link to those 5 videos as well as a signed copy of the book. So I'm going to be doing what Laura Vitale did because I pre-ordered her book and I love the way that she did it. So the book that you actually get won't be signed, but I'm going to be mailing you individually a little sticky card that has like my signature on it and a little thank you note on it, and you'll be able to stick that into the book. Actually, let me get Laura's book and I'm going to show you. So here's her book, which is faded because the sun faded it. Ow. But what she did is she sent me a like signed little sticky card that I just peeled off and you just stick it in the front of the book. And I figured that this would probably be the easiest way of doing it because I don't know how many people are pre-ordering it and I don't know how to like sign them and then send them to Amazon. So that will be one of the little thank you gifts that you get. And the last one will be 25% off your next order on my Etsy shop. If you guys don't know, I have a chocolate shop now on Etsy, or I've relaunched it, and I was so excited. I love, it's like my favorite thing, as well as this book. Yeah, I'm having so much fun with it. So if you've been looking at the chocolates and you're mulling it over, or if you purchase them and you want to get some more, your next order will, I'll give you a discount code for 25% off your next order. So in order to get all of those goodies and those benefits, trying to look professional, but I'm too excited to like do this properly. So if you have pre-ordered the book already, or if you are going to after watching this video, link below, what you need to do is take a screenshot of like your order confirmation, and you want to email it to this email right here, which is my business email address. If you're curious, I don't know if you ever. And so once you email me the screenshot of like the order confirmation just to show that you pre-ordered the book, I'll reply to you and I will ask for your address in order to send you the little signed sticky thing to stick in the book, as well as the link to the 5 private videos on YouTube that no one else will be able to see, as well as your Etsy discount code. So I'm so excited. I hope that you guys are as excited about this book as I am. And actually, one last thing that will actually help me out so much if you're willing to do it. So when you order this, if you're able to leave a review, or after it arrives, if you're able to leave a review on Amazon, that will actually, that would mean so much to me. And the reason why is because if we can get to 100 reviews on Amazon on this book, that will put me into the bestseller category on Amazon. And I'm not asking this just because like, oh, I want to be a bestseller. No. Like the fact that I have a book is more than enough. But the reason why I'm asking you guys to do this is because it's been really important to me. Almost the most important thing since I knew that this would be happening is that I really want the publishers to feel like they didn't make a mistake by working with me. I want the publishers to feel like they took a gamble on me and it paid off, basically. And by leaving a review and hopefully turn the book into the bestseller, that is one of the ways of doing it, because I just like, my biggest fear was that like it wouldn't work out, or something wouldn't work out and then they'd regret working with me, and I'm so worried about that. I want them to feel like believing in me was a good decision on their end. So if you're able to do that, that would mean the absolute world to me. Thank you so much. And yeah, so, oh my gosh, if you're interested in picking up this book, oh, okay, so I made churros, like confetti churros. I ate all of them. I'm not even kidding. Like, I don't know, how many does it make? I ate all of them. They're that good. And, oh, so good. And also with pink sparkly donuts. Like, look at this. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. Okay, so, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for all of your support. If you subscribed yesterday, or if you've been subscribed since the very beginning, I cannot believe that this is happening. I cannot believe that I'm able to call myself an author, that the pankobunny rabbit is on the cover and the spine of the book. Like, This is so, it hasn't even registered honestly yet. It's just been such a whirlwind, and I'm so humbled, and this book is for you guys as a thank you for believing me and supporting me, and just thank you. This is the best community on YouTube ever. You guys are so loving and so supportive, and I'm so happy that I can tell you finally, because like I was just like dancing around my condo being like, oh my god, a book, but I couldn't tell you guys yet. So yeah, now I can tell you, and I'm so excited for you guys to see these recipes. I'm so excited for you guys to make them and eat them, and oh my gosh, I'm so happy. So yes, again, if you want to pre-order the book, the links will be down in the description box below, and all you need to do is send me a screenshot if you want all the little pre-order benefit goodies. Send a screenshot to this email on the screen, and you'll be getting 5 additional videos that no one else will see, as well as a signed little copy plaque that you can insert into the book, and 25% off my Etsy shop. And again, if you're able to leave a review on Amazon, that would mean the absolute world to me. So yeah, thank you guys so much. I love you, I love you, I love you. And make sure to head on over to Instagram now that the book is like out. I'm gonna like share a bunch of photos of the recipes and stuff like that to get everybody excited and just like, oh my gosh. So yeah, anyways, thank you so much. I love you. I hope you have an amazing weekend. And oh, before I forget, I wrote talking points and I just completely ignored them. Okay, so the last thing, I am going to be on television in Toronto promoting the book next week. So if you want to see me on TV, and if you're in Toronto or able to get the file or view it online, actually, if I'm able to get the links to those episodes once they're online, I'll share them on my Instagram stories and in the description box below here. So if you're watching this video later next week, check out those links. But I'm going to be on TV. I'm going to be on CTV Your Morning on Tuesday, May 22nd at 8:35 a.m. And I'm going to be showing how to make the Unicorn Cupcakes from the book. Actually, that was on YouTube as well. So I'm going to be making that recipe live on TV. I'm nervous already. Oh my gosh. And the next day on Wednesday, the 23rd at 8:15 a.m., I'm going to be on breakfast television promoting the book as well. So if you guys want to see me on TV, I'm so nervous. I would love to like know that you're watching and like know that my family is there with me. That would be amazing. So yeah. Thank you guys so much. I'll post some reminders on YouTube and on Instagram and everything right before we go live, so you guys can tune in if you're in Canada or in Toronto. But yeah, I love you guys. So I cannot stop saying thank you, because I remember actually years ago when I wanted to be like an interpreter, like that stage of my life, I was like, oh, I just realized, oh, I'm never gonna be an author, and I was kind of disappointed, and I'm like, well, I've never really thought of that as a path anyways, based on like what I wanted to be, but I was kind of disappointed, and then now I'm thinking, I'm like, I'm an author at like 27, this is insane, and I'm a YouTuber with a book. Like, what? And I've been going to Indigo and I've been buying all the other YouTuber books, and I just realized that the bookshelf, because I wanted to put them behind me when I'm filming, literally just realized that they won't fit because the shelves are too close together. Like, my book fits, but I've wedged it in, and this is a smaller book. So, I mean, I could put it on the top shelf, but it's not the same. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I have rambled on too long. I'm all like hot and sweaty now. But thank you so much. Thank you. You have changed my life, and I love you guys so much, and I owe it to you that I'm able to call this my book. So, thank you. Everything I talked about, all the pre-order and everything will be, all the pre-order information, everything to do will be in the description box below as well. So go check it out. I love you. And yeah, I'll see you on Monday for a new video, or I'll see you on the weekend in my Etsy shop, because I'm launching a new flavor on the weekend, and it's royal wedding flavor. So, curious. It's so cool. So yeah, I'll see you guys then. Bye!